Hello everyone. So this will be a very quick tutorial for beginners. So how to turn any object into confetti. Okay, let's put on a box and we need some divisions and we'll put a color node based on position and we can blur out the colors. Yeah, so we have a gradient kind of color. We'll transform it like 2 meters high so that they are not in the ground, and we will put a facet node and create and calculate normals. Right now we don't have like point normals, so when we click on this post compute normals, we'll get point normals. Why we need point normals is like we are going to convert this into velocity. So initially they will get thrown up when you start the simulation. So attribute angle, you can customize the velocity like as you want, and so we can convert the normals to velocity using this expression v at v is equal to v at, and we are assigning normal to velocity, and we can like multiply a small number to it so it looks interesting, and we'll convert this into LM plot and we'll put a LM solver and we'll put on a ground, and if you play, so it's not behaving like a confetti, it is behaving as a single piece. What you need to do is come to this facet node and there is this option called unique points. Okay, so when you turn this on, all the polygons will be disconnected and they will act individually. Now if you see, we have like a confetti kind of effect. Basically like this facet node is like separating the polygons, and we can put a pop force to make it look interesting. So that's all for today. This is like a very short tutorial. I just wanted to explain what this facet node does. I hope you like this tutorial, and for many more tutorials follow me please. Thank you.